morning, students. Now, example problem. Already, previous exercise, all the problems are over. This exercise, all the problems, 3.14 exercise problem, all the problems are over. Now, I want to complete some of the example problem also, because this problem also important. That's why I will start with the example 3.44. What is the question? The difference between the roots of the equation x square minus 13x plus k equal to 0 is 17. Find the value. The same thing only, let us assume that the alpha and beta be the roots of x square minus 13x plus k equal to 0. Already told you, it's implies the co-unit x square, no number only, no, that is a. Then p is what? The co-unit x is actually what? Minus 13. You consider 97 also. C equal to constant. Now, sum of the roots, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to minus of minus 13 by a is only not, what is 13? Then alpha into beta equal to c by a. C is what? K. A is what? 1. That is K. And already given, what is data? Difference between the two roots is what? 17. This is data actually. Given, what is given? Given, what is given? Alpha minus beta equal to 17. Already you know the formula. Find the value of K. Already we know the value of alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, alpha minus beta. These three terms involved. What is formula? We know one algebraic formula. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha minus beta whole square, or otherwise alpha minus beta whole square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is a formula. Substitute all the way again. 17 square. Alpha plus beta is what? 13 square. 4 into alpha beta. 4 into 2. Now, we want k. That's why minus 4k will come to say 4k. This is what? 169. This is what? 289. 17 square is what? 289. Come to say minus 280. Subtract here. Minus 0, 2, 1. Minus 120. We want k only, no? K equal to minus 120 by 4. Divide minus 30. This is the value for k. This is the answer. A very simple concept. You will find alpha plus beta, alpha into beta as usual. But what is data given? Alpha minus beta equals 17 is given. We want k value. That's why you write the formula. That formula involving alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. All the values are already found out. Substitute all the value. You get k value. That's all. K value is minus 30. That is the answer. Now listen here. Example problem 3.45. 3.45. Given alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Then same concept, the co-unit x square is no number is 1, a equal to 1, b equal to co-unit x is 7, c equal to 10. Constant term. Now alpha plus beta is what is the formula? Minus b by a minus 7 by 1, that is minus 7. The c by a is the formula, 10 by 1, that is 10 is the answer. Anyway, alpha beta given, equation given, that's why you find alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. Now, what is asked now? We have totally 6 solutions asking. Usually, not all the solutions are asking. One asking me 2 more questions, some 2 asking me 5 more questions, 2 or 3 asking me 5 more questions. Now, what is asking? Alpha minus beta is asking. It's a question. Now, only you know the value, you know the formula. What is the formula? Alpha minus beta equal to alpha plus beta whole square is the formula. Am I right? Now substitute this value minus 7 whole square 4 into 10. That is what? 49 minus 40 equal to what? 9. This is actually alpha minus beta whole square. But we want alpha minus beta. Taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. Automatically, alpha minus beta equal to root of 9. That is 3 is the answer. First answer over. Next question. Alpha square plus beta square is out. Is asking. Now we have the formula now. Alpha square plus beta square means we have the formula alpha plus beta whole square minus 1 alpha beta. This is the formula. I'll keep the formula. Because we know the value of this one and this one. Therefore substitute again minus 7 whole square minus 2 into alpha into beta 10. So 49 minus 20. That is what? 29 is the answer. Second subdivision over. Next one, alpha cube minus beta cube is asking. Alpha cube, beta cube is asking. Again we have the empty formula. What is the formula? Alpha cube minus beta cube means we have the formula. Ultimately, we have two formulas are there. A cube minus B cube formula. We have one again alpha minus beta whole cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha minus beta. What is this then? Alpha minus beta already find out previously. By using this idea. Suppose this part alone asking me first find alpha minus beta, then find alpha cube minus beta. So this extra one. 3 cube plus 3 into alpha into beta already find 10. Alpha minus beta 3. Now multiply 27 plus 19. 170 is the answer. In this way, you find one by one. Fourth subdivision also asking. Fourth subdivision. Fourth subdivision. Alpha power 4 equals beta power 4 is asking. Alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 can be written as alpha square whole square, beta square whole square. It is of the form alpha square plus beta square. What is the formula? Alpha square plus beta square whole square minus 2 into alpha square beta square. Here only alpha beta square. But here alpha square whole square no. It's of alpha square beta beta square. Because already find alpha square beta square. What is the answer? 29 whole square minus 2 into this came as alpha into beta whole square. Am I correct? Now 29 square. 29 into 29. You want to put the value for 29, you get the answer. 29 20 is what? 29. Take it 29. Multiply. 9 and 5 81. 80. 9 to 5 18 plus 80 26. Multiply 2. 2 9s are 80. Take it to 1. 2s are 4 5. 1 4 14 no 4 8. Here 841 minus 2 into alpha beta 5 10 10 square 841 minus 10 square that is 100 200 200 subtract both 641. This is the value for alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. One more part asking, what is the part again? Fifth part, what is the question? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is asking. This is the question. Now what is the question? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha equal to, take LCM, beta into alpha, corresponding by alpha square plus beta square. The alpha square plus beta square already found at 29. Divided by beta into alpha or alpha into both the same 10. That is the answer. That's all. Anyway, you will find one by one. Alpha plus beta and alpha into common to all the problem. What is asking? Alpha minus beta asking, alpha square plus beta asking, alpha cube minus beta cube asking, last one alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 asking, last one alpha by beta plus beta by alpha asking. Anyway, only value is the fundamental algebraic formula. Because we know the only value for alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's why you write the formula involving in terms of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's all. Next question, example 3.46. Alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 3x square plus 7x minus 2 equal to 0. Find the values of the first subdivision alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Next subdivision alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. Now, the same tree say only. But alpha and beta are roots of the equation. From the equation, you will guess the value of A. The co-efficient is x square 3. B, x, co-efficient x. Last C, there is a minus 6 constant. Then alpha plus beta equal to what is the formula? Minus B by A is 3 minus B is 7. Alpha into beta equal to C by A is the formula. C is minus 2, A is 3. Now what is first subdivision? Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, beta by alpha is asking. But we know the only value for alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's why take LCM. Beta into alpha, beta by LCM cross multiply. Alpha into alpha, alpha square plus beta into beta, beta square. Once again, we have no value for alpha square plus beta square. That's why by using the auxiliary formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta is the formula for alpha square plus beta square. Now, this is involving alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, here also alpha into beta. Substitute all the way here, minus 7 by 3 whole square, minus alpha beta is minus 2 by 3, here also minus 3. Now squaring, minus whole square is plus 7 square 49 by 9, minus into minus plus 4 by 3, close the bracket, denominator no, minus 2 by 3, that is reciprocal, multiplication 3 by minus 2. Now taking 9 as LCM. Here 9 is there, no? Taking 49 will come. But 3 is there. In 9, 3 times, no? Multiply by 3, 3 4 are 12. Now, this is 3 and 9, no? 1 time, 3 times. Adding both, 6 to 1. Multiply both, 6. Minus something is there, put the minus something there. That is the answer. Similarly, alpha square plus by beta plus beta square 1. Here also take LCM, beta into alpha is LCM. Cross multiply alpha into alpha square, alpha cube, again beta cube. Now again by using the algebraic formula, it is on the form alpha cube plus beta cube. Formula is what? Alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Substitute on the way again, minus 7 by 3 whole cube minus 3 into alpha into beta minus 2 by 3. Again alpha plus beta minus 7 by 3 divided by minus 2. Now, minus whole power 3. Minus I power odd number means negative will come. Minus I power even number means positive will come. That's why minus 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 into 7, 340. Divided by here also 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. This is the 9, 9 is the 27. Here 1 3 cancel. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 2 7 are 40 by 3. Again reciprocal. Into minus 3 by minus 1. Now here 27 is LCM. Numerator minus 3 padindi, but here 3 is there, LCM is 29, 27. In 27, this 3 is 9 times. That's why multiply by 9 here. 9 into 48, that's 26. Now adding both minus 469. This is 3 times 1 time, 9 times. Multiply both minus 8, minus 8 cancel. 3.47, this is important 5 mark question. Here, form the equation whose roots are 3 subjects are asking. Already I told you, all 3% are not asking, 1 or 2 will come for 5 mark question. Now, very first what I told you, what is given? Given alpha and beta are the roots of what is the equation? 2x square minus x minus 1 equal to. Now which is A equal to 2, B equal to the coefficient x is minus 1. C also minus 1. Immediately you will find alpha plus beta minus beta is a formula. Formula having minus. D B is what? Minus 1. A is what? 2. That is 1 by 2. Alpha into beta, what is the formula? C by A is the formula. C is what? Minus 1 by 2. Am I correct? Now, first subdivision, array told you, previous area. Given roots are 1 by alpha and 1 by beta. It's only given on. Now, equation is asking. Equation asking means what's the formula? X squared minus Sx plus B equal to 0 is the formula. Where S equal to sum of the roots. P equal to product of the roots. S equal to sum of the roots. S equal to sum of the roots. Am I right? Sum means adding both. 1 by alpha plus sum means sum plus. Okay. Now take LCM. Cross multiply beta plus alpha. Now beta plus alpha or alpha plus beta both are same. Already find out 1 by 2. Divided by alpha into beta minus 1 by 2. Both will be cancelled. That is minus 1. This is called this. Am I right? Next one, P. P forward, product of those. What is the product? 1 by alpha into 1 by beta. This can be known as 1 by alpha into beta. 1 by alpha into beta is what? Minus 1 by 2. Now reciprocal. The P equal to minus 2. Am I right? You will find S, then P after S. Therefore, equation asking on. But acquired the quadratic equation. Equation is what's the formula? X square minus Sx plus B equal to 0 is the formula. X square minus S is what? Minus 1 into X. This P is what? Minus 2 equal to 0. Now simplify X square minus into minus plus 1 into X plus into minus minus 2. This is the answer. We will find the S and the P afterwards. Substitute the S and the P value in the formula, quantity formula X square minus S square equal to 0. But anyway, from the beginning you must find the value of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That is very important. The first sum is over. The same was second subdivision. The same equation, but roots are changed. That's all. Now, suppose second part only asking me, you write the whole thing. That's very important. Given alpha and beta are roots of the equation, the same equation. A is 2, B is minus 1, C is minus 1. Alpha plus beta minus B by A. Substitute B value and A value you get 1 by 2. Alpha into beta C by A is equal to minus 1 by 2. That's all. Now, the given roots are alpha square beta and beta square alpha. What I told you, you have to find the S, that is sum of the roots. S for sum of the roots. Now, sum is adding both, alpha square beta given, beta square alpha given. These are roots are given, plus. Alright, today the alpha square can be alpha into beta. The beta square can be beta into alpha. Here alpha beta. Here also alpha beta common to put. That should be taken outside. But every time after taking alpha beta, one more alpha is there. Here beta is there. Plus beta is there. Alpha into beta. Already find out the value 1 by 2. Alpha into beta minus 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Multiply both minus 1 by 2. This is called. Next product. Equal part. Product of those. That is what? Alpha square beta into beta square alpha. Now multiply both. Multiply, alpha square into alpha cube. Beta into beta square beta cube. These two terms come together. Alpha into beta whole cube. Alpha into beta minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Alpha beta minus 1 by 2. Power 3. Now you want to simplify. P equal to minus 1 by 2 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is minus 1. 2 cube is 8. This is easy. Now required quadratic is the same formula. Substitute here x square minus s is what? Minus 1 by 4 x plus minus 1 by 8. Now we don't want bracket. That's why multiply by 8. Now 8x square minus plus 8 into 1 by 4. 2 times. Plus and minus. Multiply 8 no? 8 into 8 cancel only 1. Multiply 8 means you must multiply all the time. That's why here multiply 8 means 8 is square. Multiply 8 means the 4 is there. That's 2 times. Multiply 8 is cancel. That is the answer. This part is important 5%. This type of question is important 5% actually. Third solution, the same equation, but roots are changed. 2 alpha plus beta, 2 beta plus alpha. Then you write the answer same thing only. Alpha and beta are roots of the equation. 2x square plus minus x minus 1 equal to 0. What is A, what is B, what is C? Then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Substitute the value. Minus 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. Alpha into beta, C by A is the formula. C is minus 1, A is 2 minus 1 by 2. Now, given roots are 2 alpha plus beta and 2 beta plus alpha. Now, how do you go through? 2 alpha plus beta plus 2 beta plus alpha. By third addition, no? 2 alpha plus alpha, 3 alpha, beta plus 2 beta, 3 beta. Out of these two terms, 3 is common. Alpha beta. That's all. Am I right? Now substitute the value for alpha plus beta here 1 by 2. Multiply 3 by 2, this is twice. Then P equal to product of the roots. That is what? 2 alpha plus beta into 2 beta plus alpha. Now, suppose you are not by using this idea, alpha plus beta, alpha plus beta. You want to multiply, then by using small algebraic formula, then by using this idea, we get answer. But easy method is there, easy method. This easy method. 2 alpha can be written as alpha plus alpha. Alpha plus beta is, am I right? Into the 2 beta can be written as beta plus beta plus alpha. Am I right? Now, alpha, this alpha is fixed here. This alpha plus beta, already find out the value 1 by 2. 1 by 2. In here also, this beta is fixed here. Again, this alpha plus beta, beta plus alpha, that is alpha plus beta together 1 by 2. Now multiply. Then an easy value. So directly you want to multiply me, lengthy calculation will come by using small idea. Now you want to multiply. Multiply is an AND method. Alpha into beta, alpha into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into beta, 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. In this way you want to multiply. Now alpha into beta plus alpha into 1 by 2, alpha by 2. B 1 by 2 into beta, 1 beta by 2. Last 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Am I right? Now, alpha into beta already find out 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Am I right? Plus, here, out of these two terms, 1 by 2 is common, but they may have alpha plus beta plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into alpha plus beta, already 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Now taking minus 1 by 2, adding on 4 is LCM, 2 by 2. Am I right? Remainder is 4, adding this method 2. 1 by 2 times. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 0. This is called P. Now write the formula for quadratic equation. What is the formula? X square minus sx plus b equal to 0. Take the formula, substitute s square, you will get the answer. Therefore, required quadratic equation What is the formula? X square minus xx plus b equal to 0. X square minus s is 3 by 2 x plus 0 equal to 0. Multiply by 2. Because we don't want fraction, to avoid the fraction, the simple is what? Multiplication. Multiply by 2 means 2x square. Multiply by 2 means 2 to cancel only 3x. 0 denominator equal to 0. That's why this is important 5%. This exercise, I did all the problem. What is the reason? Very, very important 5%. The next concept, matrices. Definition, a matrix is a rectangular array of elements. The horizontal arrangement are called rows. Vertical arrangements are called columns. For example, this is a matrix. In matrix, the matrix always denoted by capital letters. The inside element, there is whatever may be. Negative number, positive number, root number, alphabets, whatever, that is not a matter. But it is denoted by capital A, capital B, P, Q, etc. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to write some elements or numbers inside this bracket, not separated. It's not, don't put this bracket. Only this bracket, otherwise this bracket. Usually this bracket is easy for you. Okay, this bracket, you need not put this one. This is possible, but you will put always this type of bracket. Then it's not easy for you. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, this is matrix. P equal to x, y, z, x, y, z, p, q, r. This is also what matrix? The 1 plus x, cos x, x square, 2. This is also matrix. Now, order of the matrix. One more concept explain. If a matrix A has m number of rows and n number of columns, then the order of the matrix A is m cross n. Where it is m cross n. Not m into n, m cross n. For example, one matrix A square, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now, this is called what? This is called first row, second. Alright? Number of rows, 2. Number of columns, 1, 2. 2 cross 2 is the order. You will consider always first row, then column. That's important. RC, mind it. RC. First row, then column. Number of row, 2 row. Number of column, 2 cross 2. Now, next one, number of rows is 1 row. Second row. Third, in this way, 3 rows. But in here, only 2 columns. Or 3 columns. Here, 3 rows, 3 columns. That's why 3 cross 3. One matrix is given. What is the order of the matrix asking me? You will consider first row, then column. That's very important. This is okay. One more concept. Sometimes 2 more concepts will come. Important concepts. Now, types of matrices. First one is row matrix. A matrix is said to be a row matrix if it has only 1 row and any number of columns. That is not a matrix. Only 1 row is called row matrix. That means what? It's only 1 row. Column, how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is not a matter. Here also, only 1 row. Column 4. That is not a matter. There only 1 row, but 2 columns are there. Anyway, a matrix having only 1 row is called row matrix. Similarly, column matrix means a matrix said to be a column matrix if it has only 1 column and any number of rows. This area. A equal to this is what? Only 1 column. Row, how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3. That is not a matter. Only 1 column. Only 1 column. In this way, column matrix. Square matrix. A matrix in which the number of rows is equal to number of columns. The matrix having number of rows and number of columns are equal means that is called square matrix. That means what? For row, 2 rows, 2 columns. That is square matrix. 3 rows, 3 columns. That is square matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 3 columns. That's why it's square matrix. The difference is also important. Sometimes this will come for 2 more questions. Define row matrix, define column matrix, define square matrix. That means what? Give the definition and give any one of the example, not all the example. You give only one example for 2 more questions. That's all. Another definition, diagonal matrix. A square matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix. All whose elements except those in the leading diagonals are zero. The leading diagonal is the leading diagonals. Except this are zero. Here whatever may no problem. Here 1, 1, 0, no. Here 2, 3, 4. Diagonal. That means this is leading diagonal. This is called leading diagonal. This is called leading diagonal. Remaining elements are zero. Here all the leading diagonals, no. Here any numbers are not diagonal matrix. Suppose equal to 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7. In this way involving that is called scalar matrix. Again, the same thing, all are 1, 1, 1, 1 involving the unit matrix. The same concept, three separate definitions. Scalar, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix. All are square matrix. Leading diagonal only you want to consider remain all zero. The leading diagonals are different numbers are involved in diagonal matrix. Equal number 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, you know what I mean? That's called scalar matrix. Equal 1, 1, 1 involved in this called unit matrix. Read the definition. All are the same concept only. You must follow the meaning of the diagonal, scalar, unit matrix. All are leading diagonals only involve some elements. Suppose here 0 involving what is the meaning? Suppose the bits of 5, 0 involving the respect diagonal matrix. All are equal to 5, that's why scalar matrix. All are equal to 7, that's why scalar matrix. But all above below 0 actually, but leading diagonals only not equal to 0 and also same number involved. Suppose same number all are equal to 1 involving, that is called unit matrix. In this way, 3 definitions. Very important 2 more question. Next one, zero matrix. A matrix said to be a zero matrix if all its elements are zero. For example, this already pointed out the matrix is denoted always capital letters. In other words, capital letters. This is O. O equal to 0, 0, 0. All elements 0. Here, 6 zeros. Here also O, only O2. The zero matrix can be any order, no problem. This idea. The transpose of the matrix which is obtained by interchange the elements are in rows and column of the given matrix called transpose of D and is going to be A power T. Interchange means also the row is converted to column is converted to row. That is called transpose of the matrix. If A equal to 5, 3 minus 1, 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 7, 5. This is called 3 class matrix. What is the first row? 5, 3 minus 1. The first row is converted to first column, 5, 3, 9. Second row is converted to second column, 2, 8, 9. Third row, minus 4, 7, 5 is converted to third column, minus 4, 7, 5. This is called A power T. A power T denote transpose of the matrix. That is the meaning. That's all. And the last definition, triangular matrix. A square matrix in which all the ends above the leading diagonals are 0. This is the leading diagonals. Okay? This is the leading diagonals. Above 0 means this is called lower triangular matrix. If all the ends below the leading diagonals are 0 means the leading diagonals no. Below 0 means this is called upper diagonal. The upper means so many elements are above 0, so many elements are involved. This is upper. Below 0, so many elements are involved. This is called lower triangular matrix. And this is a definition. All the definitions are over. Already I told you, you must watch the video, and from the video, you will come to the class work, send to me. That day itself is very important. That's all.